Hey everybody, Shane Severson here, Legacy Realty, Team Severson. Today you got me. I know I'm boring. I know that now that Caitlin has come on, she's the exciting one, but you got me today. So anyway, we are gonna go through our February market update. I'm gonna hit a little bit on the market and talk a little bit about what's going on. Last month we got all the numbers out, but did not shoot our video. We missed that, so we are going to do that. If you hear a little bit of construction behind me, they are putting up homes everywhere, so that goes to tell you something. So anyway, let's jump into our numbers. Closed price, that's what I really like to track every month, closed prices. So you got the numbers for January. Let's talk about February. So in February of 25, average price on the market was $781,173. And in February of 26, so this last February, number was $758,634. So that's dropping 2.9%. So that's a pretty big drop, and that goes into a lot of what we're seeing in the market, price drops and so forth, which I'll get to in a minute. Active listings, we went from last year 5,973 to 6,079, so we're up 2% for our active listings, and then our monthly inventory went from 2.1 to 2.1, so we are even with that. So when you look at the market, I've been asked a lot, I actually was asked today, is it a buyer's market or a seller's market? Here's how I would say it, and I would say it's a fairly neutral market. It's very interesting. Normally you need 4 to 6 months of supply to get to more of a buyer's market. But with the whole economy, all the interest rates, with everything going on right now, it's just interesting times. So the market has settled, and I would say it's fairly neutral. But with that being said, I would say it's definitely leaning more towards a buyer's market, depending on the neighborhood. Some neighborhoods are still very strong, and if your house is in show condition and all of that, it'll fly off the market. Probably if it's priced right, over asking or at asking, but everything else is sitting a little bit. You got to be priced right. You have to be show ready. This is not the time of just listing any home and it flying off the market. So it's definitely different times. As far as prices, I don't see prices taking a big drop, except for some neighborhoods. With inventory up, buyers have more options, and so prices are dropping a little bit, as you see in our numbers. So some neighborhoods, they will continue to creep down a little bit. Some neighborhoods, they should stay pretty steady. And so it's just interesting times right now. I'm not seeing a market like this since the crash. Last year was really hard. It's definitely way better than last year. Homes are selling, things are moving. So last year was an anomaly. It literally was worse than probably the crash as far as trying to sell homes. But this year the market's moving, things are good. It's just not this upward climb that we've seen for years. So if you're a buyer, I don't know that I've seen better times to buy. Buy now. If you're a seller, have your house ready, do your prep, and price it right. And if you're an investor, depending on what you're looking to do, good time to flip, good time to buy rentals, now is a good time. So anyway, hope that helps. Hope everything is going well for you. And weather is gorgeous out here. I know everybody's thinking that's going to not be so good for us in the summer, but for now it's gorgeous. Hopefully we'll pray for some rain and snow, but I'm sitting outside in a short sleeve shirt, enjoying every minute. So God bless. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you next month.